So ito si ma'am, midwife ito. Saan kayo sa US, ma'am?
We live in Delaware. We used to live in New Jersey, but
New Jersey.
we moved in Delaware. The cost of
Delaware
living
na
here.
Delaware.
State.
Ah, malayo
That's the
naman kayo
first
dun sa
state.
nasunog, ano?
Yeah.
So si Sir naman, nurse naman, no?
Yeah, there's the OR.
Nurse sa OR.
First assistant ng doctor.
Oo.
But I'm retired already 6 years ago.
Sige. So ngayon, may pain siya.
Yeah.
May pain, sige.
When it locked, I had to twist it like this just to...
Ma'am, midwife naman kayo eh, midwife.
Yeah.
Sanay kayong magpamukha ka. Ayun. Kayo naman.
Kaya, kaya.
Midwife.
Then, yung dalawang kamay.
Ayan. Tapos na. Tapos na.
Good!
Tapos na. O, tignan nyo nga yung pain kung ganun pa rin kasakit.
Less.
Hmm?
Less.
Less.
But this one is still a little painful.
Ay, syempre, kapipindot lang yun. Ang masakit dyan yung pinindot ko.
Yeah.
Pero dati naman walang masakit, di ba? Doon sa
Very,
kanan.
very light.
Very light.
But this one, super, very may second yun.
Ilakad yung apo. Tignan nyo kung maglalak pa siya. O, ganun pa rin ba yung sakit niya?
No.
Wala nang masakit?
It's less, but it's not 100% gone.
It's not 100%, no? Kasi nakaisang beses pa lang naman tayo.
I see, he said,
Tsaka ano yan eh. For TKR yan eh. Siyempre, hindi natin makukuha ng isang session lang yan. Pero yung pain, ma'am, malayo na,
I
di ba?
can't even do this before. I can feel the pain. Yeah, now, there is a distance on bending this. Now I could bend this more. But I still have pain, but like what I said, it's not really good. Yes, better, a lot better.
A lot
This
better.
one, look at this. This one is completely bent. This one is 80%, but I could still pain in here. As long as,
Okay.
now I learn why this one is painful, because this one is the one that's the problem. It's compensating on the other side.
If your left knee
It's not
is painful,
surgery.
it doesn't necessarily follow that the problem is there. It is only a symptoms. But the other side, there is the problem emanating from the right side. You understand that,
Yes,
ma'am?
I know.
Kahit barok yun, naintindihan nyo naman. Ano?
No, because like what you said, it's compensating because that's the one that's really
Yes.
the issue. But since this one has an issue, it reflects on my right
Yes.
side.
Parang sasakyan lang yan eh. Na pag nasira yung ball joint mo sa kanan, madadama yung ball joint sa kaliwa, siya yung magdadala ng bigat, di ba? Oh. Ganun po yan.
Paulit kayo ulit.
Eh, yung na ano?
Itong knee ko, nabebend ko ng almost close.
80%.
Before it's just this.
Oh.
The distance is a lot
Oh.
better.
Yan. Eh, kanina, inaano mo yan eh. Dinidigwatro mo, ganun di ba? No?
Kasi ina-unlock ko siya, natuto akong i-unlock siya. Kasi basa na lock ito, if it get locked, I can't stand straight. It's like I'm falling off. So I learned how to release my lock. Let's do this.
So, gusto nyo kumpletohin natin.
Sige, malayo mo si Jay.
Kailan ba ang alis nyo?
But we have a lot of veterinary. We live tomorrow in Singapore.
Singapore.
Pasya na, pasya.
Marami kami siya.
Naku, edi ilalakad nyo na naman ang ilalakad dyan.
I have race. I brought race.
Best, ano ba, kalimawa, bago umalis? Sa tuwing ka, di ba tayo darating?
We're coming back from Dumaguete 28, diba?
Oh, yes.
I don't have any more time. I don't have any more time. My time, we're fully booked.
Yan, spread your legs, ma'am.
Best, hindi na kita masusunod pagbalik mo.
Ha?
Galing Singapore.
Yeah.
Doon na, uwi na lang ako doon.
Okay.
Susundin ba kita?
Just
Hindi na masyado
Ah,
masakit.
sige.
Hindi na ako marayin.
Kabila po. Spread your legs. Ito, malambot, no? Anong ginawa dito? Hindi naman tinanggal yung tendon.
Hindi, tendon is there. Meniscus is like the
Meniscus.
bone of your knee. Para yung, let's say, bulak. Yan ang pinakabulak na
Ay,
support.
parang lamat, kumbaga sa Tagalog. Lamat. Sige, tita, ilakad mo puli yan. Masakit pa? Lot better, a lot better. Alam mo kung sana kung
He said if I don't have surgery,
kung doon sana nagpunta bago operahan.
Yun yung sinasabi ko, nakaano siya. Sabi ko, bakit magpapa-opera? Naka-schedule na raw. Sabi ko sa kanya, huwag magpa-opera.
Okay, no?
Oo, dapat napunta ka raw bago ka mag-opera.
before it's the in between here, you could even put your wrist, but now it's almost like
So, it's a lot better, no?
yeah,
It's a lot
it
better.
is. I will not lie to you. It's a lot
Sister, ano siya, Amerikano.
Isa pa?
Nurse na
O, tama
Amerikano.
na yan.
Tama na. Sa shoulder tayo, ma'am. Tapos tuturuan namin kayo ng exercise mamaya. Na?
Okay. You know, I have therapy actually. I go to physical therapy or what's that twice a week? Is it?
Pero alam mo, ma'am, sayang. Kung noon sana, bago ka na-operahan, dito ka nagpunta, inayos natin yan. Yun, baka pwede ko pang i-guarantee na 100% eh. Kaya lang may intervention na
He
kasi.
said if I did not have surgery, he could guarantee like 100%. But now there's an intervention. He cannot do anything.
There is intervention already. Sige. Okay na, tita. Ha? Taga-saan ka sa Pampanga?
Basta kabiyo ko po.
Ah, Kabyaw. So, hindi ka katumpangan.
Ay, mga ko kang Davao yan.
Ah, Kanda.
Yung may
Alam mo ka ng Kastila eh. Akala ko, Amerikano ko rin eh.
Hindi ka nung Davao.
Ha?
I've been to US 42 years. Isn't it? Yeah, more than half of my age. I'm only in my 60s, but I spent my life 42 years in
Nakapag-asawa ka ng
America.
gwapo eh.
Kasama ko sa hospital eh.
Biro mo, napag-asawa siya ng Amerikano.
Naku, babagalingan ako. Nag-Mrs. Delaware ang anak ko.
Yeah, ganun ba?
Yeah.
Halata naman, ma'am. Mukha kang artista eh.
Hindi asawa kong gwapo, hindi ako.
Humble si
Sige, sige. Tapos na tayo
My
doon.
kids,
Ano tayo ngayon? Sa...
My kids are both nurse also.
Ah, okay.
One is dialysis.
Buti
nurse.
pinayagan kayo pumunta dito.
Oh, they...
Kasi alam mo,
He's telling me,
merong
it's good that they're
yung mga estudyante ng ano ng mga yung nag-aaral sa US na doktor, di ba? Yung pinaglalait tayo.
Sa Harvard.
Oo.
My daughter don't want us to go. He said, spend your money
Marami
going
kaming
somewhere.
may mga karanasan kami sa mga ano eh, sa mga doktor na nag-aaral sa US. Mga mapanglait eh. Oo.
They don't want to be having competition na mas magaling ka sa kanila.
Hindi naman.
Letty was telling me that.
Estudyante lang naman, kaya mayabang estudyante. Pero yung mga doktor na talaga,
Pag natapos siya, mas lalo mayabang.
maaari.
Actually, my hardly.
No, we don't do twisting.
Okay, good, because
I have a vertigo.
she had a car accident
Sige.
that damaged.
Ay, yung isa naman, nagyayabang dun sa labas. Oh.
And I have thyroid test.
Sige, sige. Ayan, salamat sa Diyos.
I think kung